Okay, so these are the tools you'll need. You'll need a crescent wrench here, some thread seal tape, and then this might come in handy just because it has teeth on it for removing the old shower head. It might be corroded, so you might need to get a better grip on it. So sometimes this comes in handy, but do not use this on the new one. Use this one. As you can see, the teeth, there are none. It's nice and smooth, so you won't damage the new piece compared to that guy. Will just tear up your new pieces. Okay, so to make it easier, you can remove the shower head piece. Yours might not be able to be disconnected like this, but it gives you a little bit more room to get the wrench in there, and then you can loosen it up and take that off. Now you'll want to come back, remove the old thread seal tape, and add some new. Now here's the new shower head that we're going to upgrade to. So you can see it has a nice little hose attachment. Makes it actually easier to clean the shower as well, but we're going to smoothly thread this on. It should turn there nice. If it doesn't, that means you're cross-threading. You do not want to do that. You want to back it off. And then after you get it on there, you can come back with your crescent wrench and tighten it down a little bit, so that way you get a nice watertight seal. Now one tip before this, you can just run your shower without the head on it, and it clears out any corrosion that might be built in there. But now that we got the shower head on there, there's a little nut that helps you position it into the right position and angle, and then you can tighten that down. Now we want to add the O-rings into the hose line before attaching them to the shower head. There should be an O-ring for the hose that attaches to the shower head, as well as an O-ring that attaches to the detachable handle. Now that that's done, you can attach it. I just made sure that the dial works properly, and then we can go ahead and give it a little test run here as I stand in front of the camera because I do not want to get wet. Go through the different settings here on that dial just to make sure it's all working properly, and there you have it. Nice little quick upgrade that anyone can do. Dad at Home, a Busy Bee channel.